What's up, you guys? Gemini Jet Review here, coming at you with an infinite flight video. This time it's going to be with the Virgin Atlantic Heavy A340. This plane is landing at JFK, only 31 left, and now is descending, and it's around 1,500 feet, 188 knots, and not a lot of wind, just like 0 knots wind, so we don't have to worry about that. And I just did this a few minutes ago. I landed it a few minutes ago, and now I'm going to be showing the video of it. So just sit back and watch the landing. So why don't we go ahead and play the video?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pre-arranged safety and bus remains seatbelt fastened until the fasten signals are determined. As all exit canals still need to remain completely clear, for returning flight safety as soon as the aircraft reaches the gate. When opening the engine lockers, please be careful of items that can fall out and cause injuries. Before leaving passengers, please check to have all your belongings, including mobile phones.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that landing. It was pretty good. You should stay tuned for later today. I'm going to be making a Gemini Jets airport update. It's going to be a big one. So stay tuned for that. Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned.